crochet hair with this scarf. I don't know how many styles I'll be able to create, but let's just start, and once I'm tired we can end. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm looking gorgeous and beautiful. So today I brought you guys a tutorial on how I'll be styling this coily crochet hair that I have on in different ways using my scarf, because this hair is so voluminous that using a small hairband will be strenuous and you'll be pulling your hair. So I decided to use a scarf to show you various ways I have been styling it. So if you're interested in knowing how you can style your long coily crochet protective hairstyle, then stay tuned. First of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos here in my channel. I make you to fall in love with your natural hair, giving you tips and tricks on how to care for your natural hair, ranging from DIY hair treatment videos, simple to gorgeous hairstyles, as well as protective hairstyles like this one that I have right here. It's a protective style. So if you're interested in knowing how I did this crochet hair, I'll leave a link so you can check the video out after this one, or you check it before coming to see how you're going to be styling the hair. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you comment down below which style was your favorite, or which styles were your favorite, and where you'll be taking the different hairstyles to. The very first one will be half up, half down, and I try to separate the hair into two sections. Make sure to pull it if it's too tight, and I'm just going to adjust the hair right now. From this side, like so, while the rest is going behind. So I have just a handful of hair right here, and I'm just going to loosely fold it like this, and to do is a round donut puff, whatever you might want to call it. Yes, I know you'll be wondering, Delphine, how can you pull off this plenty hair into a donut puff? I don't know if I should call it like that, but just watch. you don't want it in this bun right here, simply take it off, so you know everything is not touching your back. You can wear it like this. The least, while all of your hair is still in this bun right here, you can just throw everything behind. Make sure you arrange it to be smooth. Get a hair tie like this and just another way you can style the same hair without removing your stuff right here is to divide the hair into 3 sections. So now your hair will be looking like this right here, the side, this other side, and the back. I don't know if I'm supposed to brush my hair at the back, like so. Yeah, this is if you really want a statement kind of look. If you enter the party, you don't need to talk, just enter. Your hair will be speaking for you, left, right, and center. Attention. You need to be extra. So, very frequent style that I always tie on this hair, because this hair is so full, heavy, and big that it cannot fit on my hair bonnet or net all the time. I simply just go with my scarf from the back. I just put it like this and I tie it, because then you need a big band in order to grab all this hair, so I don't want to stress that much. I just grab my hair scarf like so. This is if I want to do something that requires my hair to be all at the back, that you don't need any obstruction of hair, especially. It's one of the last days you're carrying your hair and your edges, it's so bad at the front that you can't go out like this, looking like this. You just take your scarf, fold it into 3 like so, yeah, and you just tie just the front, not the entire hair, like so. So this next style is a style where I thought of some of you who go to Pentecostal churches for choir practice, or maybe prayer evening, or whatever, that you need to cover whatever hair that you have on. So what you need to do is just grab a hair scarf like this and you fold it like so and you tie like this, because I always make sure I think of every subscriber here in my channel. So if you are born again and you need to cover your crochet hair in order for you to go for choir practice or prayer evening that you need to tie your hair, you can always do this style. So even though you are going to tie your hair, you don't have to look like you're mourning someone. So you can go with this. See the way I was tying it, I left a little bit, so I'll make it look like a bowl, like so. So right there, still looking pretty while serving the Lord. So your hair will be looking like this at the back and the other side while you pray and sing to the Lord. I hope you guys did enjoy this styling video. Let me know if you want to see more hairstyles that I can create using this same crochet hair before I take it out next week. So hopefully I get to read some of your comments, which was your favorite hairstyle and where you think you can take the hairstyle to.